Hi students, MCQ number 27. Two plates are 1 centimeter apart and the potential difference between them is 10 volt. The electric field between the plates has to be determined. This is the easiest possible question that can be asked in this content. So A and B are two plates. The distance of separation is 1 centimeter. So I will take the distance of separation as a dx is equal to 1 centimeter, that is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. And the potential difference between them is 10 volt. So the potential difference is equal to 10 volt. Now we have already studied that the electric field E is the negative potential gradient between any two plates or points. So the electric field E is equal to minus dV by dx. So we need the magnitude of the modulus of the electric field. So this is equal to what? dV by dx. So this is equal to 10 volt divided by 10 power minus 2 meter. So this is 10 into 10 square. This is equal to 1000. Okay. Therefore, E is equal to 1000 Newton per Coulomb. Okay, very simple numerical problem. So option D is the right answer, is it not? Therefore, option D is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.